Back to another video. So in today's video, it's just a quick little video on something that you might not know if you do have a BMW and the newer series anyway. It's all the same, okay? 1 series, 3 series, 4 series. If it looks like this, M3, anything looks like that, you can do this on it, okay? So all you want to do, right, see these numbers here? You can assign whatever you want to them. Whoa, so advanced. So I've got unassigned, but if I press number 8, it loads up my sports gauge. Yeah, that's beautiful, that. Ooh, beautiful, right? If I press number 7, it loads up my tire pressure. This is I only care about this and this. And number 6 over here is just the radio stations that I have saved, okay? So and then over here, number 4, unassigned. Let me just hover over that. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, unassigned. Okay, you could just hover it. It's very sensitive, this. I'm not actually pressing it, I'm just like that. Very sensitive, okay? So what I'm going to do here is save. Now you can save whatever you want. Manage mobile devices. I'm going to save that. There we go. So that is your Bluetooth devices and stuff like that. So now if I go back to 6, save there. Number 5. And now if my friends want to connect and stuff, instead of like going through all of this just trying to connect, and what I'm going to do here is my vehicle status and go back here, and I'm going to check control into 4. Beautiful. So that check control is any warning lights, okay? And hold up, notifications into 4. Beautiful. So now number 4 will be my notifications. Anything that loads up there, you know, when you get like a little pyramid over here, low fuel, stuff like that, if you need a service, it's gonna be that. Number 4 is gonna be no faults if I've got some major faults, and number 5 is gonna be connect your Bluetooth or your friend's Bluetooth. It's just an easier way. Number 6 obviously radio station. Number 7, tire pressure. So you can save whatever you want, okay? Maybe you use navigation and stuff, so instead of going through all of this every time, you can just save whatever you use most. I don't really use navigation, so I'm not gonna save it, but the main things I use is that I barely use it, to be honest. I'll just like press it, oh yeah, everything's all right, and then mainly it's either Bluetooth or the radio station that I use. Now I've got any faults and stuff, and no faults over there. This is a different one, okay? So just start saving, lads. Start saving, okay? I shall see you in the next one.